Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a problem that's as frustrating as losing your keys, recovering your Gmail account when you can't use a phone number or recovery email. Yes, it sounds like a mission impossible, but don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, let's head over to the Google's account recovery page. You can find the link in the video description below. Now enter your Gmail address and click on Forgot Password. Now tap on Try Another Way. Since we don't have our phone number or email, click on Try Another Way. Or I don't have my phone. Here's where it gets a bit tricky, but stick with me. Google might ask you to verify your identity by answering security questions. This could be anything from your frequent locations to details about your Google activity. It's super important to answer as accurately as possible. Or you might be asked to provide an email you can check now. This doesn't have to be the recovery email you set up. Any email where you can receive a verification code works. After entering an email, you'll get a verification to prove your identity. Once you've verified your identity through one of these methods, you should have access to your Gmail account again.